Hi, boys and girls. Hi, Miss Regan here with Miss Yuka for your math lesson today.
Hello, good morning,
Hey,
grade
all right.
2 mathematicians.
So good to see everybody. Welcome back to being online with us. And today we are going to solve a rich task math problem. So you've come to now the end of your unit 4, adding and subtracting numbers to within 1,000. So now we're going to give you a real challenge and give you a rich task problem for you to persevere and not give up and really challenge your thinking. Okay. And we have a language objective as I can explain the strategies I use to solve the problem using your base 10, decomposing, and your number line. You can use first, I, then next, and finally to answer your questions. Here we go. So we talked a lot about place value. So looking at hundreds, tens, and ones. We've also talked about adding, addition, and subtraction. And here are your ones, your tens, and your hundreds that you'll need for today's lesson.
All right. We are going to get started with our little number talk. And today our number talk is a really fun one, the patterns. So I would like you to study this picture and I want you to notice patterns. What kind of patterns do you notice? So take some time to study the pictures. All right, Mr. Regan, what do you notice?
I already noticed just looking at the bottom row, I see 2 penguins, and then I see 3 penguins, and I see 4 penguins. Each bottom row there goes up by 1. And then in the second column, I guess there's none, 0. There's 1, and then 2. It kind of looks like a little pyramid almost, maybe little triangles.
Yeah, and then I'm also noticing that on the left bottom, there's one, if I look at that column there, there's only 1 penguin, then it stacks up to 2 penguins, then it stacks up to 3 penguins. So there's a lot of patterns there.
I was also looking at it. I see 2 and then 4 and 6. So it looks like it's going up counting by 2s. Looks like even numbers.
Nice.
2, 4,
I
and
did
6.
not see that. Wow. What did you guys see, mathematicians? Share with your parents. All right. Are you ready?
All right.
Okay.
Here's another little fun activity for you. And this will be a seesaw activity. And so you can start by persevering, by solving the emojis, solving the smiley faces, and thinking about how you might get to this number. So let's start with the 264. Think about 2 smiley faces that would be the same. So this is a double, but it's bigger. It's 2 of the same numbers, but it's going to be bigger. You want to start there.
Yes, and work your way down and try to solve that question mark on the bottom as well. That will be your final one to solve. And make sure that you figure out the smiley face, the little guy with the glasses, and the heart mark. And so tell us what you think those would mean. What number do you think they would be? All right, let's get started on our rich task for today, real life problem.
Yeah, so this is the fun one. So what do you notice? What do you wonder? So how many little ketchup bottles will the big bottle fill up? Okay, so we had a little typo there. Sorry about that. What's your estimate? So we have the big bottle of ketchup. Okay, we want to think about how many of the little bottles will be filled up by the big bottle. How many will we fill in there? Any guesses we want to take right away, Miss Yuka? What are you thinking?
I'm thinking maybe 4 little jars will fit in this big bottle. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a pretty big bottle. It's a little bit deceiving kind of looking at the pictures, but we have a video here for you. And this is going to help you get an idea of, sorry, let's go back to that. Here we go. Here's a little video for you to kind of get an idea of that. Sorry, here we go. So there's the big bottle. And they're going to fill up one. Ooh, and there they end it for you. So it filled up a little bit of, it filled up 1, and then it didn't fill up 2 all the way before the video was stopped. So you're going to guess how many will fill in that rest of the ketchup bottles.
We have additional information for you. Are you ready? Here we go. So this is the facts that we know. That big bottle, okay, can hold is 397 grams. Okay, can hold that much tomato ketchup in the bottle. That teeny little jar that we saw holds 64 grams. Okay, now if you know this information, would you be able to make a better calculation of how many little jars will fit in this big bottle? You're going to use your math today to figure this out. You know how to add, and you need to know how to add multiple add-ins, right? And you're able to add big numbers now. So your task is to figure it out using your math, and you're going to show your thinking any way that you would like, right? You can use number line, base 10, or decomposing to solve this problem. And you're going to take a picture and you're going to post this on Seesaw. Okay? All right.
Yeah, so just a little hint. So the 64, how many of those small bottles will fit into the big bottle? So you might do 64 is one, add another bottle of 64, maybe even another, keep adding those 64 to see if you can get close to 397, and then post your answer on Seesaw and show your thinking. Okay, and so after this activity, we have a fun game for you to play. And Miss Yuka and I are gonna model this fun game for you.
Thanks to Mr. Alex for making this fabulous website. And you guys will have a link for this website. And today, you see where the arrow is. We would like you to click on that +10/100. Okay, that's the spinner that you're going to use. So this game is called Race to 1000. Okay, and that's the game we're going to play. You're going to play with a partner. You're both going to start on 100. So you're going to start by writing that number. You're going to take turns spinning the spinner. Okay, you have to either add or subtract 10 or add or subtract 100. And you're going to see who gets to 1,000 first. You can go across 1,000, that's okay, but you have to reach to 1,000. Okay, all right. Mr. Regan, you want to start first?
Okay, I will start first. So this will be my turn. I've already started at 100, so I wrote that on my board. So I'm going to spin, and it looks like I got, oh man, oh boy. I got minus 100. I don't know if you're really clapping for that. Okay.
So what's 100 minus 100, Mr. Regan?
Oh man, so it looks like I'm down to 0, friends.
Sorry.
That's okay. You know, that's how it goes in our game. All right.
Okay, Mr. Regan, help me to spin mine.
All right, for Miss Yuka, here we go. Oh wow, you are lucky.
100 plus 100. That's my doubles right there. Yes.
Nice job, Miss Yuka. Nice job. Congratulations.
I'm up to 200. I'm in the lead, but you never know. Okay. Do you guys get how to play this game? Okay, so we just modeled one round for you. You're going to keep going until one of you reach 1,000.
Yep.
Okay.
Hopefully, I don't get any more minuses. I don't want to get any lower than that.
Can't get lower than a 0.
Yep.
So mathematicians, have fun today during your math. Practice your adding and subtracting. Can't wait to see how you solve the rich task.
All right, friends. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.